Tired of looking like you're broadcasting from the Stone Age? Let's transform your Canon EOS R100 into a professional-grade webcam and ditch that blurry built-in camera forever. First, grab a compatible USB cable. A standard USB-C cable is typically what you'll need. Plug one end into your camera and the other into your computer. Next, power on your camera, then set your camera's mode dial to the movie mode. The icon looks like a video camera. Now, dive into your camera's menu, navigate to the shooting settings. It's usually the red tab. Look for an option called USB connection. Select EOS Webcam Utility. If you don't already have it, download and install the Canon EOS Webcam Utility software from the Canon website. It's free and essential for this to work. Open your preferred video conferencing or streaming software like Zoom, OBS Studio, or Microsoft Teams. In the video settings, select EOS Webcam Utility as your camera source. And that's it. You're now broadcasting in stunning high-quality. Experiment with your camera settings like aperture and ISO for the best look. Your audience will definitely notice the difference.